$117 plus tax. So it will close to $200. So guys, we're finally in Mart and we're on a budget. I will be doing a $500 budget while Moya and KD, they will be doing a $1,000 budget. The moderate one. I'm the poor one.
Not like that.
Alright guys, so we're gonna use trolley.
Yeah, we're using the trolley, guys.
Alright, Moya, so let me take my big trolley. Remember, it's $500. Look at the trolley. So we're gonna split up. Time to split up, guys. Get them, Moya. Exactly. Yeah. Get them, Moya. Why the care of the dogs have to come distract me? Alright, so guys, I'm on a $500 budget. So Moya really can snack that. It's cheap. Put this down. What's the cost for this? That's $57. We need something cheaper. How much for that? Come on, Maya, you're distracting me. 180. Guys, I don't know why I take my daughter along with me, you know.
Mama, no.
She's distracted.
Expensive.
Put it back. I cannot afford this. It's $500. Somebody can get this child.
No.
But guys, we come to an expensive supermarket to do a budget. This is Mart and Shepherd's Fair, the most expensive supermarket in Naples, Clarendon, and that's where we choose to come. Maya, me a split up from you, you know, you give me talking. So this is for $40. Everything has tax. Everything has tax. Ah boy. What you want, Katie? Leave the trolley, Moya. Leave it. Stop giving me trouble now. So guys, I found get one free. You're gonna distract them. Stay right here where I can handle you. Why didn't I get my selfie stick? My hand is tired. And then you can come so. Don't come down my aisle. Alright guys, so I put the phone in the trolley. I'm walking like a robot. Yes, Moya. Those are very expensive, mommy. So we need things that are cheap. Guys, what is this I take upon myself? $500? $500. $500 in an expensive supermarket. Very smart. What about a bread? I don't even see the price for the bread. I need this phone to go up higher. Okay. Oh no, leave it. This is not fair, guys. No, it's myself properly. Charlie was helping me, you know, but it now work. I'm not see myself properly. How much for water? $36. Take a bottle of water. Oh my god. Guys, where are they? Kadene is down there. Where's MOYA? That's the cheapest sugar. $117 plus tax. What's that? That will close to $200. Ease up, MOYA. How much for salt? $40. Find my salt at $37. Salt, guys, salt. Leave it, MOYA. Mommy don't have the money to buy those. How much for stay free is $445. Bring up my item too fast, and I'm trying to get at least 10 items for $500. You think we can do that, guys? I could just be patient and shop around. She's not having her way. She's giving attitude. I'm gonna look on her. Remember, it's Corona time. Even the tissues are expensive, guys. Rub it, MOYA. No, man. Tissue. $77 plus tax. $85 plus tax. No, man. How much for the juice there?
Water or juice.
But wonder if Tang, guys, here we have some iCool for $45 plus tax. I wonder if Tang cheaper. Because Tang a juice too, not true. Make a check out the Tang price then. And then we'll come back if anything. Put on the mask. Put on the mask. What's the one, Kadene, guys? What's the one, Kadene? I have to do that because we don't want to see my items. I have to do that, guys. We don't want them seeing on my trolley. Come MOYA. How much for fob? Oh my god, I'm tired. My god. Soap? No, sir, we don't want no soap. No, sir. Guys, in here expensive, but in a nice, bud, nice and clean and spacious.
Nice, bud, nice and clean and spacious.
Foreign me there. Foreign me there, man. We go on here, so. Oh my god. It's not nice. It's not fair. So, it's not offer like $20, guys. $15. $25. Now ask them the price there.
Mommy, and the buy them here.
No, MOYA.
Shop up here.
Yeah, man. Take up one of that. But they said that we can take up 2 items, right? So let me take up what is it for $57? It's $100, I know. So $400 left. Let me take up another one. Take up 2 of this. So call this at 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items we have. Guys, we need 5 more items. You see that? This child. Put it down. No man. Macaroni. Anna macaroni. Anna macaroni. Macaroni. Look at this. $217 plus $20.
How can you find money?
My God. Jesus. What's going on? $97. Hi, Maya. Oh, God. So, my. I can't believe I can't get enough items that I would want. Maya, do not go away from me. I'm going to the ketchup section. Come, Maya. Hello. What's up? Man, ketchup $72 plus tax. That's not bad. Let me try the ketchup, guys. Tomato ketchup. Welcome, Maya. Welcome, Maya. Over your expensive, man. Everything have been taxed. Jesus. Can you finish? But guess what? You're not selling it for $20, $25. Exactly. You can't find that. Come on. It's not fair. It's not safe. No. It's not safe. No, sir. Who are you? Make sure that them juice here. $8. Guys, I found the juice for $48. Let me try it now. Let me try it. Not be trying but failure, guys. Maya, walk in the middle, alright? Come on. I think that's it for me. I guess over here it's too expensive. Alright, come on, yeah. $78. No man. Guys, look at my daughter's face. No, Marsha. No, you're not getting a trolley. 48. Oh, guys, we find cheaper juice. I can put back this. It don't belong to your sign, but me and make it stay right here, so. Right there. I just want cheap juice. I went gone $38. I give my daughter when I'm through. Taking up 2 of these. How much was the ketchup bag again, guys? I don't remember though. I know I can remember. I don't want me eat green lime. I know so I don't want me lose, you know. So when you sit down and look for me, I know I don't want me lose though. So I'm not lose. I'm not eating any green lime. I'm not eating any green lime, guys. Oh my God. Come, Emma. Alright, so can't go over the egg section, you know. Over there, expensive, guys. Look at the expensive aisle, you know. So it make no sense I go down there because shame myself. But I'm gonna take up a little snack. Come over here, so. But I'm gonna see a little cheap snack. You know, cheap. Yeah. The Jamaican style, cheap. I'm see none of that. I'm see none of that, guys. Peanut, don't call like expensive. We look for my stuff. Guys, I'm not look for my ear, you know. Don't look for me. But just pull up my ear. So I need to get it perm and get it done. I don't know when a girl always do up her ear. So I cut my ear in December. And this is it now. It's a groomer. So Kadene there, everybody. I Kadene I can eat the green lime.
Kind of show what she took up.
Indeed. Because I say, listen to myself now, no Kadene. Kenny, a $500 you spend, right?
Yeah.
And you come and take up all the items as if you have money.
Like a rich.
So you're my conscience now. Kenny, just go on a cashier. So make a follow my conscience and I'm going on a cashier. Alright? Alright. I am waiting on them. I am waiting. I'm not going to cash first. You think I should cash first, guys? I'm not cashing first. I'm done. So guys, I take up water, ramen noodle, salt, ketchup, a cool fruit, and a digestive biscuit. So that's it. My question where I want to stay tuned, guys. Wait there.
403.
How much for the blue?
163.
163?
No, Kenny.
What's a blue there? I mean, I guess I can carry it up to 500.
Kenny
Give me some of that.
right
Bring it
there.
up to $500. You're kidding, guys. Oh my god.
Is the mother of us all, so she knows what she's doing.
They know that because I have a daughter, they don't have any. So I know how to budget.
Yeah.
But I'm still have to eat the green lime. One person will have to eat the green lime or two of you guys.
Look here, me no come dead large. You have to have 30 and not 30.
Oh my god. Everyone gonna eat the green lime now? I can't wait to catch you.
Until it's the lime eating time. Lime eating time next.
Do you have the lime? No, I'm not dead. Kadene, come. You want me to feed you? You think you're going to feed her?
No, me can't eat myself.
Okay, let's go, Kadene. You have to support everything, you know.
We can't just suck on the juice.
Support everything.
Me have to chew it up?
No, just suck it out.
Oh my god.
Don't know it. Show them how we eat lime.
It's like that.
One.
We not go 4. You know say I was sketching me up.
This is not it.
Look here, we go 100 almost 10 or 13. Behave yourself.
Zoom it up. Zoom it up on our Maya. Zoom it up on our face. No! Turn around, man.
Come, let's do this.
You can do it.
We don't eat that one here. Where? Let me see it.
You
start Just suck the lime, no man.
Tap one suck. I don't know if you suck lime. Suck lime.
Hold up, what is it?
Candy. Oh God. Can you look over there, son?
Alright, I'm gonna finish this one. So.
Alright. This not safe.
So like come eat this alone.
Okay, just up and done, man. Up and
We just
done.
wait for you done that one day and we good.
Oh God.
You feel,
What if a vitamin C and D?
Yeah man, you can't catch flu.
Can't catch flu.
Can't miss Sunday dinner today.
You can't catch flu, guys. What if a vitamin? Hey, give her.
Yeah,